All right, guys, this is Josie Rosales with Market with Josie. I'm going to show you how easily I get content sent to my email every single day in which I can post to either Twitter or Facebook. This content is related to the landing pages that I make, and I'm going to show you how easy it is that I post this to my Twitter account today. So I'm doing this straight from my phone. It takes about 1 minute if I'm not recording, and within 1 minute, all of my marketing could be done. So let's get started. First thing I want to do is go ahead and go into my email. This is the kind of email you're going to receive from the system. Your social marketing posts are ready. And it's going to tell you that the artificial intelligence engine has created new social marketing posts for you to share on social media. So I'm going to go ahead and click on See Suggested Post. It's going to take me into the system. I'm going to go ahead and go on social. And here you go. Once you click on the social button, it's going to tell you what they have available for you. So this one here, see it says suggested post to royalty. That's going to be to my royalty landing page. But if you go ahead and move over, here's another one, the ultimate social media checklist. This one is suggested with Market with Josie, which is yet another landing page that I've made. Here's another one, digital marketing in Canada. Then here's another one, Market Your Business Online, which is another landing page that I have. You can make unlimited landing pages with this, and the system will create content related to your niche. That way you can go ahead and post it, become an expert in your niche, grow your niche, and become trusted and branded online. So let's look through here for tips for harnessing social media. So this one looks good. We're going to go ahead and post this one. I'm going to click on post. It's going to ask me where do I want to post it to. I'm going to post it to Twitter. Twitter is going to come up here on my phone. It's going to grab the link for that post, and there it is. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this first line. And I'm going to put your marketing tip. Well, I usually put the date. So it'll be what's the date? Today's Sunday, actually. So let's say your Sunday marketing tip. There it is, your Sunday marketing tip. I'm going to click on tweet. And there it is. Your Sunday marketing tip. Took about 2 seconds for it to load. We're going to go ahead and go back. I'm using an Android phone in case anyone is wondering. I'm going to go ahead and click back. The system is going to ask me if I publish my post. I'm going to say yes. And my social media is done. I'm going to hit on great. Do I want to add the content to my website blog? Every landing page has a blog attached to it. So I'm going to say yes. And now the same content is now on my blog. I'm going to say awesome. It says, would you like to email this content to my followers? Anyone who put their name and email address will now receive the same content. I'm going to say yes. And my email is done. And just like that, my marketing is done for the day. So if you guys are interested in marketing, branding your name online, or just promoting any affiliate links, this is a great system to use. Go ahead and message me underneath this video, and I will be more than happy to share the information. I'm also going to put the link to this software underneath this video, so go ahead and take a look at it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me either here on this platform, or you can message me on Facebook, which I will also put my Facebook account underneath here. Looking forward to speaking to you guys soon. Have a great day.